Hey there, I'm HVAC repair guy. I've got over 17 years in the field as an installer, technician, and contractor, with a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're taking a look at two popular two-stage heat pump options, the Fraser-Johnston HL19 and the Goodman GLZT7C. If you're trying to figure out which one makes the most sense for your home, let me break down how they stack up side by side. Starting with build quality and cabinet design, both of these outdoor units come equipped with factory sound blankets around the compressor to keep operational vibration down. However, when you look at cabinet construction, the Goodman GLZT7C features full louvered coil guards that shield the aluminum fins and copper tubing from yard debris, hail, or stray rocks from the lawnmower. The Fraser-Johnston HL19 uses slotted steel panels around the cabinet rather than a louvered guard. This leaves the delicate aluminum fins more susceptible to damage from hail and debris thrown by a lawnmower. Looking at heating performance, both units carry an HSPF rating of 8.1. The heating seasonal performance factor tells you how efficiently the system converts electricity into heat over the course of a winter season. An 8.1 HSPF rating represents a solid mid-tier efficiency that handles moderate cold weather nicely without spiking your electric bill. Since these are heat pumps, they reverse their refrigeration cycle in the summer to cool your home just like a central air conditioner, giving you efficient year-round comfort. Under the hood, neither unit uses a modulating variable speed setup, but both step up from basic single-stage technology by featuring two-speed compressors paired with two-speed condenser fan motors. Having two distinct operating capacities allows the heat pump to run on low speed most of the day for gentle, consistent heating and cooling, then ramp up to high speed when extreme outdoor temperatures demand full output. This two-stage modulation improves humidity control, delivers even home temperatures, and reduces mechanical wear from frequent stop and start cycles. When we look at operational sound, the Fraser-Johnston HL19 runs as low as 66 decibels. Fraser-Johnston HL19 runs as low as 66 decibels. That is roughly equivalent to normal conversational speech or a quiet office environment. The GLZT7C is rated up to 75 decibels under full load operation. That is about as loud as a dishwasher running in the kitchen or a vacuum cleaner operating nearby. That gives the Fraser-Johnston unit a noticeable edge if you're installing it right outside a bedroom window. Regarding manufacturing, both systems are assembled right here in the USA. Fraser-Johnston operates under Bosch Home Comfort following Bosch's acquisition of Johnson Controls residential business. Goodman is produced by the Daikin Group, which is one of the world's largest HVAC equipment manufacturers. Looking specifically at model-by-model pricing and installation costs, Goodman GLZT7C direct online equipment prices range from roughly $3,000 for a 2-ton model up to $5,500 for a 5-ton unit. Complete equipment packages paired with an ECM air handler run between $5,800 and $8,800, and full turnkey replacement typically lands between $7,500 and $11,500 depending on tonnage. Fraser-Johnston HL19 equipment pricing typically runs between $3,200 and $4,800 for condensers, with match packages running $6,200 to $8,500 for hardware alone. Total installed cost, including professional dealer labor, generally ranges from $8,000 to $12,500. Where these two units really pull apart is the warranty protection. Both come with a standard 10-year parts warranty. However, the Fraser-Johnston HL19 offers a 10-year compressor warranty with 0 unit replacement protection if the compressor fails. On the other hand, the Goodman GLZT7C offers a lifetime compressor warranty and a 10-year unit replacement warranty, meaning if the compressor fails within the first decade, Goodman replaces the entire outdoor condensing unit. My recommendation goes to the Goodman GLZT7C. While the Fraser-Johnston runs a bit quieter, Goodman gives you protective louvered cabinet panels, lower overall equipment pricing, a lifetime compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee at the same heating efficiency level, making it the better long-term ownership value.